Andrew. Thank you for having the time with us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Can you tell me more about the property market here in Malta?
So the property market here in Malta is a very fast-paced moving one. It's predominantly run by the Maltese. It has been traditionally going up on an upward trend for the last 40, 50 years. Capital appreciation of around 4 to 7% on average per year. And also it's interesting also for a holiday home or part of one of the immigration programs, or simply just to invest, because also the ROIs here are the return on investment are very good. You can get between 4 to 7% in return per year.
For immigration purpose, what are the populous locations? Is it St. Juliet or is it anywhere on the island?
Well, it all depends on the requirements of the individual, but downtown, and when we consider downtown, we consider Sliema, St. Julian's and Valletta, which are the hotspots that foreign individuals look for. The simple reason is because there are several amenities all around. Obviously, all the major schools are here. All the hotels, the restaurants, the business centers are all located in this area. So within walking distance, because also we drive on the wrong side of the like the rest of Europe, within walking distance you can reach anywhere within a couple of minutes.
So here we are in a one-bedroom property. What are the prices for a one-bedroom property here like?
It all depends on the location and on the building itself. Here we are located in Mercury Towers, the tallest building in Malta, designed by the late Zaha Hadid. Here, one-bedroom apartments start for around 650,000 and they keep on going up to around 3 to 4 million, depending on the level, so the floor, and also the size of the property. However, we do find properties around this area with a budget of between 400 to 500,000. It all depends on the project, how big it is, the amenities it has in the project, if it has a sea view, if it doesn't have a sea view. So all these factors will come into play.
Any tips you want to share to potential investor?
I mean, quite the same like anywhere. The most important thing is obviously the location, because if you're going to rent it out on long lets, people look for location. They want to be close to their office, they want to be close to the restaurants, they want to be close to the shopping malls, so they want to have close vicinities, and also the sea, because here in Malta we're blessed with beautiful seas, beautiful Mediterranean seas. But not only that, also for short lets, because people who rent a property for 3-4 days, use it as instead of a hotel, the traditional hotel, then obviously they want to be bang in the center, bang in downtown, and within walking distance they want to see as much the city.
What is the procedure like for buying a property here?
In Malta we adopt the English system, whereby first obviously we select the property, we do property negotiations on the price. Once we agree on the price, within a couple of days, then we sit down for what we call a promise of sale agreement. A promise of sale agreement is a mirror image of the title deed, though it will have certain conditions that will lead to the title deed, meaning there will be checks in the title going back to 150 years. So there are several properties in Malta which are 400-year-old plus. So the notary, which oversees the whole process, will look into all the title deeds, the past title deeds, and check that all the title deeds have been done properly. And there also will be an architect inspection in the property itself to check that the property has been built according to planning permits, that is structurally sound. Once these two are in place, then we sit down for the title deed. Normally the process takes between 3 to 4 months. Once you have the title deed in hand, you are the owner of the said apartment or house.
Is there anything else you wish to share with the potential investor?
Well, Malta is a vibrant property market, both for obviously residential living. We have a bit of everything. We have the culture, we have histories, we have the temples, which are older than Stone Age in the UK. But also we have the new part of the island, which is Sliema, St. Julian's. We have the sun, the sea, we have good weather. So that is the living part. If you want to invest, then you can do around, as I mentioned earlier in this conversation, around 4 or 5% in capital appreciation per year, coupled with another 3, 4, 5% in ROI. So you're looking at around a total of roughly around 10% in capital appreciation and ROI on top of your price. And I think there's very little places, especially in Europe, that you can make that percentage.
That has been really useful. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.